Hey everybody, welcome to Cabin Fever Cooking. I'm Charles Holling. Have you ever wondered how to cut a watermelon, or you have no idea how to cut a watermelon? Well, we're going to show you how to cut a watermelon 5 different ways. Hey, welcome back everybody to Cabin Fever Cooking. Thanks for joining. If this is your first time watching our show today, hey, don't forget to click subscribe right down there. Go ahead and click it. Click, click, click. There it is. And don't forget to click that notification bell right on the top. There it is. Ring, ring. And then you'll know when we post new videos every single week. What we're going to do today is we're going to teach you how to cut a watermelon. Very, very simple. Very, very easy. And alright, so the first way we're going to do it is we're going to get a nice, very sharp knife. You don't want a dull knife because then you might hurt yourself because they slip. So we're going to take one on the bottom, cut that off there, flip that over to the other side. We're going to take the other top off as well. That's going to give you a base and make it really flat and easy to go. We're going to take that and then we're going to start getting off the sides, and we're just going to want to get all of the white off. And we're going to do this all the way around. Now we're going to flip that over real quick and we're going to do the same thing and get all of those off. If you have little white pieces off, that's where you're just going to trim those off really, really quick. We don't want to get too much of the red because we want to save that because that's juicy. So the first cut that we're going to do, we're just going to show you triangles. So we're going to take this, cut it right down the middle. Right inside there, and pull these open. So then just quickly put those in there in big chunks. We're just gonna make big chunks right inside there. Check that out. Nice big chunky pieces. So if you want to do smaller pieces, you can do smaller pieces. Just cut that right in half, right down at an angle, and there you go. You've got smaller pieces right there. You can also cut it right down at an angle, like so. Give it more of a triangle shape. If you want to go thinner, you can go thinner pieces, which is great for a salad. Just like that. Taking it a step further, you can cut it right down the middle again. Smaller pieces for your salad. Again, more triangles for you. You can slice it right down the middle. So you take that, come right through here, all the way down. Split it right down the middle. Flip that over real quick. Cut it right down the middle again. There. Flip this over one more time, and then we're gonna cut it right down the middle. And then you can do individual pieces. These are larger portions for those people that just want to go to town and yum, 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 right? There you go. You can wrap this up in plastic wrap, put it in the fridge, take it with you to the park or do a barbecue too. Next one. You can also take that same piece, cut it right into triangles, and serve it this way as well. And these are a little more fun for the kids. Sailboats. All right. The other cut you can do, take off the tops there on both sides of that other half, and then you go straight down the middle. Bigger cuts. All right, and then you've got half moon pieces just like that, and you can eat them just like that. Those are really great. Hey, it's time for our special subscriber shout out. Hey, just want to say thank you so much for your support. Chris Dell from Toronto, Canada, our friends up on the north. Grant Logan from Orange County, California, and Kathy Cooper from West Allis, Wisconsin. Yep, that's right. Thanks so much for your support. Talk to you soon. Let's get back. All right, so we cut our last one. We're gonna cut that in half one more time, just like we did the first one. Nice and juicy, look at that. That's awesome. So this one, I'm gonna show you how to make cubes. So you're gonna take this, cut it right down the middle, watch your fingers, then lines, right down and across, turn it, and then we're gonna cube it right in there. And now, we've got cubes, big giant cubes. Mmm, yummy. All right, and that's how you cut a watermelon. I gave you a few different ways. I hope you enjoyed it. Hey, what you need to do next? Click subscribe. That's right, click it. There it is. And hit that notification bell so you know when we post a new video every single week. Thanks for watching, everybody. Talk to you soon, see you soon, and don't forget, you gotta burn something to learn something. Take care, bye. Hey everybody, thanks for subscribing. Oh, you haven't subscribed yet? Hey, don't forget, click subscribe. We appreciate every subscriber out there. Thanks for growing our channel. We really appreciate it. So click on that next video, click on that next playlist, and then check us out. And don't forget to subscribe. Take care everybody, thanks.